Hello everybody and welcome back to Rainbow Brush. This is Brian and today we are going to learn how to draw Superman. Probably the most powerful superhero ever to have lived. So I'm gonna give you a spoiler real quick. This is Clark Kent. Oh, I said it, that's right, spoiler alert. Clark Kent is Superman. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and draw his eyes. So these eyes have lasers that come out of them, so they have to be really good. So make sure you try your hardest on these eyes. No, but seriously guys, it's okay if you mess up. I know I say this on every video, but I want you guys to know that sometimes the best drawings that we do have mistakes in them and you're like, hey, that actually looks really good. And if you do mess up, you just erase and go back and redo it if you don't like what you have. And remember that this is a training video on how to draw these. And, you know, those are the times when you're supposed to mess up. So you may be wondering to yourself, so how would Superman die? If he's so powerful, he could fly, bullets can't get to him, nothing can really kill this guy. Well, kryptonite can. I think it's a piece from his planet, Krypton. And the green glowing rock can actually zap his powers and you could defeat him that way. But don't tell the bad guys that. So far in this video, we have told you how to destroy Superman. We told you his true identity. Oh man, this is a horrible video, isn't it? Well, these things are good to know. I trust you guys not to tell anybody. Make sure you don't tell anybody, okay? I'm putting a lot of faith in you. So another thing about Superman is his hair. His hair is amazing. He's got maybe the best hair in all superheroism. I don't know. I'm thinking so. He doesn't have that balding gene, which is always good. If he did, he'd probably get it. Quick trivia for you guys, you gals out there. Who is Superman in love with? Have you ever seen the old cartoons, or have you ever seen the old sitcom that used to be on, or movies? That's right, it's Lois Lane. Maybe one day we'll draw Lois Lane. She's not quite as exciting to draw, but I don't know, maybe we'll think about it. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. While we're on the subject, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you guys can get the upcoming videos that we're going to be putting out, and you don't miss anything. I think when they were coming out with Superman, they made him red, white, and blue to be very patriotic, kind of like Captain America. So back then when they created these cartoons, from what I know and some of the history that I know, I think that they had some war times going on here and they wanted to make people feel more patriotic. And of course, they needed a superhero, someone that could really rise above and make you feel like America was great again. That's right, I just said that. All right, a little bit of a political joke there. I apologize for that. I thought it was a little bit funny though. So Superman is coming together. Look at him, we're gonna have to ball his fists up. Look tough and strong because that's exactly what he is. So in one of my videos a little while back, I asked where you guys were from. I didn't get a lot of replies, so I wanna ask you again, where are you all from? I'm from Texas, of course, as you know, the United States of America. And are you from Ireland, England, the United States yourself? Are you in Texas? Because that'd be kind of cool to meet other Texans. I always think it's cool learning where you guys are from and seeing how far the internet reaches. All over the world. It's still crazy to me the opportunities that we have to reach each other that we didn't have just years ago. And we can go on the internet and talk to each other when we never ever would have heard each other's voices in a million years. All right, so here's the iconic S for Superman. Actually, I think the S stands for something else in the actual comic book. I can't remember. Maybe it's a symbol for Krypton or something like that. But hey, it works out well. So here we go. Look at that. Now you know he's Superman. Right now, the leggings on his outfit remind me of an outfit from Star Trek, maybe one of the Enterprise team. But we're gonna add a little bit of detail here and there, and it's gonna make it look like a Superman costume, so don't worry. Here on Rainbow Brush, we have so many more videos if you wanna see us draw anything else. We have a ton of superheroes, lots of robots. We have more Transformer videos, we have dinosaur videos, and just a plethora of videos. So make sure you check those out, okay? Alright, I'm glad I told you, I'm glad you listened. Thank you so much. So we are so close to being done drawing Superman here. What do you guys think? Did you like it? Do you like your Superman drawing? Did you not like it? I personally don't see how you couldn't like it, but that's okay. Hey, if you don't like it, that's good. Superman's a very fun